Welcome to Bytes Vibe. This is the second tutorial on GreenShift plugin. Want to make your WordPress website more engaging with a cool typing animation? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily add a typing effect using GreenShift WordPress plugin. No coding required. Let's get started. First, make sure you have GreenShift installed. If not, go to Plugins, click on Add New, and then search for GreenShift and install it and later activate it. After installing and activating the GreenShift plugin, now open the page or post where you want the typing animation. After opening a new post, click the plus button and search for Text Animated Element under GreenShift Blocks and add it to your post. Write your primary text in the block. This is the first text that will users see when they visit your site. Now go to the block settings, and from there go to the text animation settings. Under animation type, select typewriter. Other than typewriter, there are also many text animation you can use. You will also find an authored box called animated texts. If you want to animate or add more than one text, then there type your other text in the content box. For multiple rotating phrases, separate them with a comma like this.
You can also change the animation speed.
Want to make it look even better? Use the Style tab to change font size and color. And after adjusting your design, save and publish your post. That's it. Now you have a dynamic typing animation on your site. If this helped, like and subscribe Bytes Vibe for more GreenShift tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. See you next time.